personally, even as I wait to take the vote on the floor of the County Assembly of Machakos, and even as I do not have a vote, I have looked at the BBI as a person and as a lawyer, and I've read it in depth, and I am convinced that it is a good document and that it means well for the country that is Kenya.
The governors have been somehow reduced to officers accountable to the county assembly before they go to Senate. And I don't know whether you've read that clause. Therefore, before you invite a HCM, you may choose, executive committee member, you may choose to invite the governor to respond on issues related to water, agriculture, education, and bursary, and has responsibility in the standing orders to honor invitation of the committee or the committee of the whole. And therefore, that places a county assembly in order of precedence slightly higher, in fact, indeed higher than the executive arm of the government.
And I think it is even good for others who aspire to leadership. Because I saw Deputy President William Ruto akiuliza, tuonyesheni your leader. Walipoona mimi na Mudavadi na Weta na Gideon Moi, watu wamepatwa na tumbo baridi. Tuonyesheni your leader. Sasa pilipili usio ila ya kuasha nini? And we will be talking. It is even good for him, because when he ends up as official leader of the opposition, BBI will have looked after him pretty well. He will be a respected leader. So all of us need, and I've not even heard him say no, because he also probably will come up with a lineup. But what you have decided to do, sisi hatutakaa hapa tuone inchi kinyakuliwa na wezi. That's why Mheshimiwa Ngilu sisi tunasema wiper ni kazi bila wizi. Bila wizi. Because people are coming in cheap clothing. Na kabisa ni mbwa mwitu hatari. You'll be happy to know that Kitui County is 100% present, I think. That's what we were told. Followed by Makueni at 99%. And then the percentage of Machakos, about 70. How much? Anyway, the majority of them are here. And even those who are not here, we know they are going to vote for this BBI. Because Governor Alfred Mutua has been supporting BBI. So, ni lazima tu ni hali ya kutowasiliana properly. But I want to tell you, I spoke to Governor Alfred Mutua day before yesterday, and I spoke to Governor Charity Ngilu, and I actually asked Governor Ngilu if she could also speak to Governor Kibwana, so that we are all the same. Kwa mambo haya, I really want to thank MCS for setting the example. Nyinyi munataka kuonyesha true leadership. Bila kujali chama mmekuja, because when you touch the constitution, it's every Kenyan.
We have the capacity. We are willing, we are able, and we'll do it. Makueni, I'm seeing you. If your speaker is sitting here, I'm sure you're ready. Machakos, your speaker is sitting here, you are ready. Mheshimiwa, my speaker, I'm sure you were ready like yesterday. Mheshimiwa, Kalonzo, I want you, and it's very good that mumeanza sasa kushikana. I was already giving up on new people. Because and I saw this happen, you know, in 2002, I was right in the forefront of trying to bring opposition together. And that's why you hear Mr. Wilbaro saying that, so who is the leader? Who is the leader of this group? Simply because at that time, even in 2002, during Kibaki, Wamalo, and myself, they never saw a clear leader. But now that you have started, I am sure a clear leader is going to emerge. And you certainly not, because you don't want to be defeated. Na mtu ambaye For me, I want to say, in the broad daylight, if this country is led by one, William Samoei Ruto, this country is finished. Finished. If he was in our midst, I would tell him as much. He understands nothing about development.